Hello and welcome to TFM. In this video, we'll talk about the TFM NFT Aggregator. The TFM NFT Aggregator allows users to purchase NFTs from a variety of Cosmos SDK app chains all in one place. On this page, you can see that we've got NFTs from 4 different app chains, all in one terminal. We can view the collections in this grid view, or there's also a table view if you prefer. We can sort these collections by a variety of different filters and also edit the timescale. For example, just the last 7-day volume might be a different sort order. Then, when we go into a collection, for example bad kits, there's a host of different things we can do at the moment. They're sorted by the date they were listed, but we can change this to price. For example, we've got the cheapest bad kits here. We have deal score, which if we sort it by descending, it shows the best or highest ranked bad kits we can get for our money. So in a sense, the best value bad kits, not necessarily the cheapest. At the moment, the prices are in dollars. We can flick this over to stars and there's a whole host of things we can do here. If you want to sort or select or filter the collection for specific trades, we can do it here too. This shows just the bad kits that are on sale. 213 results. We can show the full collection, which is this amount here. Also, we have this detailed stats page, where on the right-hand side we've got the recent listings and the recent trades. There's also this floor price chart in stars. Further down, we can see a whole host of other charts to help you analyze the collections. There's also this activity section that shows all the different activity across all the different collections, listings, sales, etc. If you only want to look at sales for a specific collection or a specific action for a collection, we can do that as well. So select sales. For example, let's look at Pixel Lines. This shows all the sales for Pixel Lines ordered by time, and it shows the price in tokens as well as the price in dollars. In the My NFTs section, when you connect your wallets, it will show you all the NFTs from the connected wallets. And there's also this cool feature here, Spy, which allows you to spy on your friends' wallets or any wallet that interests you. You can also click the Show Random Wallet button and it will just pull up a random one and show the NFTs contained in that. And you can see all the NFTs contained in a particular wallet. So, the TFM NFT Aggregator is going to continue to aggregate more Cosmos SDK chains, so that it's the only place you need to go to research and purchase NFTs from across Cosmos.